I want to bring up not only a mentor of mine, but somebody that I watched on YouTube who was really, really, really helpful to me in learning how to, A, have better conversations with real estate agents, how to talk to sellers better, and how to grow one of the most luscious heads of hair that I have ever seen on a man. Can we give it up for the flipping genius himself, Mr. Jerry Norton?
I love you, brother. Okay, guys, who wants to do some calls tonight? Who wants to do some deals tonight? All right, let's go. I got to tell you guys, some of you know this, but Pace had this vision of touring 100 cities in 100 days to do 100 deals. Okay, that was the vision. And I don't know if you guys know this, but I think it's like 400 deals. Is that right, Jamil?
Just over 400.
400 deals attributed to the tour, and it's only halfway over. It's absolutely incredible. So we are so excited. And what we're going to be doing here in a minute is we're going to break up into groups, and we're going to be calling sellers. And here's what I want to tell everybody. You might be thinking right now, you know what, I'm going to hang out in the back. There's some people I haven't seen in a while. I'm going to do some networking. All that's great. All that's amazing. But there's something that I've learned in 21 years in real estate, and that is this. Getting good deals comes down to two fundamentals: being in the right place at the right time and consistency. And what I mean by that is you may be sitting here right now and you may be somebody who's never called a seller. Raise your hand if you've never called a seller. Okay, so look around. There's a handful of people that have never called a seller. You may be thinking, I'm not very good at it. You may be thinking it's noisy in here. You may be thinking I'll do it tomorrow, or there's something else I could be doing. But guys, we have seen some phenomenal things happen at these meetups by being in the right place at the right time. You don't know if the lead you call tonight is the deal of a lifetime. You don't know that. It might be. And the way you get those deals of a lifetime, I think they come around once a week if you're in the game. If you're in the real estate game, I think the deal of a lifetime comes around once a week. Okay, but you got to be in the game. You can't be on the sidelines. So that might be the one you call tonight. When you get this list right now, you're going to get three things: a name, a phone number, and an address. That's it. That's all that you're getting on this list. Now, are these motivated sellers? We have no idea. That's your job, okay? What these leads are is our call centers overseas have called lists and they said, are you interested in selling? Would you entertain a cash offer? Great. Someone from my team will be calling you in the next 24 to 48 hours. That's it. So when you call these leads, the context of this is, you recently spoke to my team. I'm calling to see if you're still interested in selling your house on 123 Main Street. Great. And then you're going to go through discovery. Okay, what is discovery? What is that process?
Qualifying.
Qualifying, and what are we looking for? We're looking for motivation. Are they motivated? We're looking for that motivation. We're going to try to uncover that. We're going to find out, is there some kind of distress going on? Is there urgency? Is the property in poor condition? And are they open to a discounted price? So you need to ask questions that are going to get that uncovered. That's the objective of these calls tonight. Now, if you want to take it a step further and you want to do analysis, you want to make an offer, you want to negotiate, you want to get to a contract, awesome. What I want to do though right now is raise your hand if you are in any of Pace's community. Okay, look around right now. Keep your hands up, please. Keep your hands up. If you call one of these leads and you get a hot one, like a really good one, and they are highly motivated, what you want to do is look at somebody in this room that's in the sub-2 community, and that's the person you go to. And you go to them and you say, here's what's happening. I'm on the phone with them, or this is what they told me. Help me with this deal. And what they're going to do is they're going to help you analyze it, run the numbers, create the offer, make the offer. And they're even going to help you dispo that deal if you want to wholesale that deal. Because who is every single sub-2 member connected to? Every other sub-2 member, and there's like 20,000 of them across the nation. There isn't a market in the US where there isn't a sub-2 member that knows or is a buyer for your deal. That's pretty cool. Okay, so again, I want to encourage you guys, don't skip out on this exercise. We're going to have a sheet of paper with leads on it, and we're going to do it per table. We're going to try to get about 15, I think there's 15 leads on a sheet. We've got 800 or something like that here tonight. And these are, again, sellers that have been called in the past 24 to 48 hours. They've expressed an interest in selling, and they're waiting for a call from you. Okay, that's what these leads are. All right, so who's excited about that? All right, let's do this, okay.
Who wants to get on a team? Raise your hand. All right, we got a lot of people in here want to do some deals. Let's turn the lights on. Let's break up into some teams. Let's freaking go. Jerry, Norton, the stage is yours. Everybody else get off the stage, including you, Eric.
Okay, so on the phone right now, I just walked her through. She's got a seller. She went through the script. Seller says, okay, I'm motivated. What's your cash offer? So she didn't know what to do. So said, I'll call you right back. Hung up the phone. We looked it up. We went through the numbers. I showed her how to go in and low anchor in the high 100s. We want to land at like 210, and it's worth like 300, and it's pretty clean property. So she's going to try to get it as high as 210. And I mean, this will be a quick $50,000 like resale. She got a license, so she just relisted, and it's right here in Miami. So it's like right here. So it's pretty cool. Okay, so we've been going, everybody, you can see people are still in groups. And how long have we been going? Maybe 45 minutes, half an hour? And I've been going around the tables, and every single table has at least one seller that is a high quality conversation. We put a deal together back there. We put they're putting together, I think here, a sub 2 deal. And so anyway, it's been just fantastic. I love the energy here. Everybody's working hard. We have people coming up saying, can I get another lead sheet? Can I keep doing this? So guys, if you haven't yet checked these leads out, go to getwarmleadsnow.com and you can sign up for this service and come to these meetups. They're a lot of fun, a lot of deals going down, and this is what it's all about. See ya.
Hey, music off. Hey, everybody in the back. Hey! Okay, everybody, on the count of 3, we're going to say, hey, knuckleheads, okay? 1, 2, 3. Hey!